unboxing of Disposable Cups, ALLFYL brand. 10-ounce disposable cups and environmental friendly. The bottom design can hold greater pressure without deformation. Thickened edge, not easily deformed compared to other brands. Look, because it has a thickened edge, that it makes good for party, at work, home, or outdoors. Measurement-wise, it has 80mm wide on top, 110mm tall, and 53mm on the bottom part. Can hold about 300ml hot or cold drinks. As you can see, I am using it with cold juice and water and coffee. Look. As I have said earlier, it can hold about 300 ml of water without any leakage. It is very strong that can hold a greater pressure without deformation. This is a very good product to use with your parties, at work, home, or outdoors, especially now that summer is coming. So what are you waiting for? Let's go party!